What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the best and ultimate Shein promo codes. There are two codes to choose from in this way I'm going to show you today, and it's a $100 off code, and also there is a 50% off your order code for Shein. So just choose which one you want, and it's super easy to get. There's no reason why everyone shouldn't do this. To be honest, I've been using this method for months, so I'm going to show you today how you can get your Shein promo codes. Before we start the video, guys, if you could press the like button and subscribe, that'd be really helpful. I'm trying to grow the channel and I'm saving you a ton of money at the same time. So yeah, I'm going to run through these steps now on how you can get your Shein promo codes. It's super simple. So grab your mobile device, guys. I'm using an iPhone, but you can use any device you wish, and open up the internet and go to www.hotshotcodes.com. So pause the video, go directly to the website. Sorry about that, guys, I just had a coughing fit. When you reach the website, just scroll down until you find the Shein page. Here we go, Shein promo codes. So let's press this page. This has been used a load of times and it's been rated pretty good, so it means it works. Scroll down to see the codes. Now you can see there are two codes, like I mentioned. There is a $100 off your order code, and there is and there is also a 50% off your order code. So you just have to choose which one you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and click on this $100 off code. So we've got to press this button here. 100 off Shein coupon code. It's been used a load of times, and you can see we need to unlock our personal and unique code. So let's press this button. This takes a few seconds, guys, so just be patient here whilst it unlocks your code. Okay, if you see this screen, that's a good sign. That means there's codes available for you. This is just a verification that you're not a robot, guys, so you just have to complete 2 of these free offers. And you can see they're completely free. They range from apps to surveys. Pretty easy. It only takes a couple of minutes to complete 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one and finish this, run through the steps and finish off the survey. You've got to put in your information, guys, so give me a couple of minutes and I'll just do 2 of these offers and I'll be back and we'll see if it gives me the code. Okay, guys, so I just finished 2 of these. I did the 2 surveys at the top. Now, if you've fully completed them and made sure you carefully followed all of the instructions, you should now, when you press this tab button, you should now see this tab open up. Now, if you've not done it correctly, this tab won't show, so do 2, and if it hasn't worked, do a 3rd, because sometimes it glitches, but it should show after 2. So when we click this tab, there you go. I've now got a $100 coupon code, so I just have to make a copy of this and I can use this in the basket or at checkout, and it's going to reduce my order cost by $100.